Welcome to the weekend project with StoneZ56. Really, my wife used tape to hold the iPad in place. What a clean way to hold the iPad with 3D printed part. For a novice like me, the joint part or pillar to the holder was the most challenging task to design. I was glad it worked. Now let the Enter 3 Pro to print. Time to assemble. I designed the pillar to clip into the bottom of the horizontal holder. Use the bit force to ensure they are holding in place. Great, it worked as intended. Installation time. This was the position I wanted to place the iPad. Clip the semi-circled base on the treadmill's tube. Then place the bottom of the iPad inside the 3D printed holder. Looks nice. Thanks for watching.